Put in place all the necessary protective measures.
Today marked the Holy Thursday, an onset of the Easter celebrations. However, with the COVID-19 stringent measures still in place, the national and county governments are ensuring that Kenyans do not contravene the protocols put in place, especially in the locked down zones. For the second year in a row, churches will celebrate a Colourless Easter, owing to the measures put in place that have directly interfered with church activities. NCCK Nairobi Regional Bishop Julius Wanyoike has since disapproved the decision of the government to close churches in the 5 counties, saying it was unnecessary.
That the government reconsiders the closure of places of worship, considering that such had already put in place all the necessary protective measures.
In a bid to make sure that the laid down measures are observed, the Inspector General of Police Hilary Motiambai has to this end announced that the National Police will closely enforce the cessation of movement into and out of the closed zones, and the curfew hours remain in force.
We as National Police Service and the multi-agency partners, we have erected 33 roadblocks on all major roads leading into and out of the zoned area. These roadblocks will be manned day and night to ensure total compliance of non-movement into and out of the zoned areas.
In Murang'a County, security has also been tightened, with Murang'a County Commissioner Mohamed Bare announcing the deployment of more police in the various zones to ensure adherence to the COVID-19 protocols.
Watu abiria wavae barakoa, wahakikishe wamesanitize, na wana matatu tunawalazimisha wawe na sehemu ya kunawa mkono kabla abiria hawajaingia gari.
The county commissioner has warned that Kenyans from the closed zones will face dire consequences if they try to cross the roadblocks.
Hakuna matatu itabeba watu kutoka hapa ikipeleka Nairobi. Matatu inaruhusiwa kufanya kazi ile sehemu yote ambayo haina lockdown. Waende Nyeri, waende Embu, waende na wakae Kangema, waende Mathioe, kila sehemu ya Murang'a. Lakini nayo wafuate sheria.
In Kakamega, Governor Wycliffe Oparanya says that all ceremonies including burials, weddings and church services must be held within the Ministry of Health COVID-19 protocols as announced by the President last week, a failure to which they would face the law.
I've also banned movement of dead bodies from our county to the other counties, because what has been happening is that when we enforce that people should be buried within 72 hours, people transfer the dead bodies to another county so that they take more time.
Mombi Wambogo, K24 Evening Edition.